Hello and welcome everyone to Pendulum EDU, and in this vocabulary session we have got another article for you to discuss here with, and in this article we are going to work on your vocabulary pertaining to some political agenda, and let's have a look at the article. Now this is need for transparency on PM CARES Fund. Now we're all aware of the PM CARES Fund. Very important to know is the full form of PM CARES Fund, which is relevant when it comes to your current affairs section. Now current affairs quiz, current affairs videos are there. We discuss it with you every day. Ma'am discusses with you, Priyanka ma'am. So I would suggest you to go through the videos and go through all the things, important major points that she discusses for you to benefit. Now, as I said, that I would have a political agenda to discuss. So need for transparency. Transparency is a noun, okay, and this word is related to transparent. Now we are all aware of what does transparent mean. Transparent means something that is clear, you can see through it, something that is clearly understandable. So transparency is having or being transparent or clear. ओके मतलब एक होता है ना स्पष्टता, वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी होती है. पारदर्शिता आप कह सकते हो, क्या कह सकते हैं हम? पारदर्शिता. दैट इज ट्रांसपेरेंसी. ओके, सो एंड दिस ट्रांसपेरेंसी और क्लैरिटी इज नीडेड ऑन PM CARES Fund. भाई क्या हो रहा है? How is this fund utilized? Where is the money coming from? Where is the money flowing towards? We all want transparency on this. Now this clarity that we all need is something that is important in terms of public domain, right? So it further says the government must not stall queries related to the operation of the PM CARES Fund. Should not stall queries. Queries मतलब जो doubts हैं, जो questions हैं. क्वेरी इज नाउन, ठीक है. जो सवाल हैं लोगों के, उनको स्टॉल नहीं करना चाहिए, उनको रोक कर नहीं रखना है, उनको होल्ड पे नहीं रखना है. उनको जवाब दीजिए, जो भी उनका डाउट्स हैं या क्वेश्चन है PM CARES फंड के ऑपरेशन को लेके, गवर्नमेंट को उसका जवाब देना चाहिए. उनको स्टॉल नहीं करना चाहिए, उनको रोक के नहीं रखना है, उनको होल्ड पे नहीं रखना है. So stall is a verb, query is noun, as we've just discussed. Further it says there is something about the nature of the Prime Minister's citizen assistance and relief in emergency situations. What is it? I'll repeat. Citizen assistance and relief in emergency situation. That is CARES, and PM we are all aware of Prime Ministers, right? So this is the PM CARES Fund, and there's something about the nature of this fund that has led to demands for its scrutiny. Scrutiny is noun, that is investigation. कहते हैं ना हिंदी में हम जांच. भाई जांच करने की अगर ज़रूरत पड़ रही है, अगर डिमांड्स है कि इस फंड की जांच की जाए, तो मतलब इसके पीछे ज़रूर कुछ पॉइंट है. While the Supreme Court has rejected a writ petition calling for a fund's diversion from this fund to the National Disaster Response Fund. अभी क्या किया है? डाइवर्ट कर दिया है किसके तरफ? नेशनल डिजास्टर रिस्पॉन्स फंड की तरफ उन्होंने डाइवर्ट कर दिया. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पिटिशन को रिजेक्ट कर दिया है इसकी स्क्रूटनी की, और जो सबका ध्यान है वो इस तरफ बढ़ा दिया है, डाइवर्ट कर दिया. And also denied the petitioner's demand that the Public Charitable Trust be audited by the CAG, that is Comptroller and Auditor General. Questions remain about its need, operation and its persisting lack of transparency. ना जो पिटिशनर थे उन्होंने क्या क्या मांगा था? भाई उन्होंने मांगा था कि जो पब्लिक चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट है वो कैग ऑडिट करे, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, जो इसकी ज़रूरत का जो बारे में क्वेश्चंस है वो. नंबर 3, इसकी जो ऑपरेशन है, कैसे हो रही है इस फंड की ऑपरेशन, उसकी ट्रांसपेरेंसी. तो जितने भी पॉइंट्स थे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज़ रिजेक्टेड ऑल ऑफ देम and instead has diverted everyone's attention towards the disaster response fund. A 3-judge bench asserted is a verb which means they stated or quoted. कहते हैं ना कथित करना या कथन देना, कोई बात घोषित करना. Asserted that no exception could be taken to the constitution of yet another public charitable trust at a time of raging COVID-19 pandemic. Raging, that is surging, मतलब बढ़ता हुआ. This is a verb. Now here, this is used as an adjective. Raging is used as an adjective. क्यों? क्योंकि ये इस नाउन को क्वालिफाई कर रहे. देखो ये आर्टिकल लगा है, अ रेजिंग कोविड. सो दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव. ये वर्ब की तरह भी यूज हो सकता है, बट यहाँ पर एडजेक्टिव की तरह यूज किया जा रहा है, राइट. सो दिस 3-judge bench जो था in Supreme Court, they have given this statement that nothing would be taken in terms in public charitable trust. Okay, at this present moment of the COVID pandemic, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं किया जाएगा, अभी कोई डिसीजन नहीं लिया जाएगा. But the need for a fresh trust when there is the PM National Relief Fund with a substantial corpus in place is not clear. अब वो कह रहे हैं कि जब यहाँ पर आप दूसरा पब्लिक चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट जो पिटिशनर ने मांगा, यू आर नॉट अलाउिंग इट. यू आर सेइंग दैट अमिड कोविड पैंडेमिक दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, दैट वोंट बी गिवन. बट for PM National Relief Fund, you have got a fresh trust. So this is not clear. Like, what is this? On one hand, for one fund, you are saying a charitable trust cannot be implemented. For another, you are appointing, or you have got a fresh trust for National Relief Fund. So these are two things that are completely opposite. Since the PM Cares Fund existed independent of budgetary system or government money, the court's reasoning was that there was no occasion for a CAG audit. Now, it is said that since PM Cares Fund, we are all aware that it is not coming from government's money, it is not coming from the budget that is being issued. So the court has given this excuse or reason that there was no occasion, there was no point of going for CAG audit. That is the reason they haven't given it. So this comment or this particular reason has been given by the apex court. Further it says, however, the concern is not about the legal basis or the absence of a CAG audit, or whether it is superfluous or indeed essential. Superfluous is an adjective which means unnecessary, or you can say extra. कहते हैं ना, जिसकी ज़रूरत नहीं, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा या अधिक. ओके, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा. तो कह रहे हैं कि the concern is not that we need legal base or there is absence of CAG audit, or whether this is required or not. This is not the question. This is not the concern. As responses to RTI queries on the fund reveal, the responses that have come to the RTI queries on the fund, they reveal, that is, they show, it's verb, वो ये दर्शाते हैं. क्या दर्शाते हैं? The government is not forthcoming on questions on its transparency or accountability. Accountability is noun which means जिम्मेदारी. भाई वो अपनी जिम्मेदारी को उठा नहीं रहे हैं, वो सामने नहीं आ रहे हैं, क्वेश्चंस को अपफ्रंट होकर जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अच्छे तरीके से गवर्नमेंट नहीं निभा पा रही है. Queries on the trust deed for the fund and its creation and operation have been summarily dismissed by arguing that the fund was not a public authority, even though the PM is its ex officio chairman and 3 cabinet ministers are its trustee. अगर आप देखें तो दे आर सेइंग दैट इफ़ यू सी राइट हियर, जो कि ट्रस्ट डीड है इसको ख़त्म हटा दिया गया है. ओके, नंबर 1. तो दे से दैट द क्वेरीज जो हैं ऑन ट्रस्ट डीड उनको रिजेक्ट कर दिया. जो क्वेरीज हैं क्रिएशन और ऑपरेशन के ऊपर उनको भी आपने हटा दिया. तो दे आर सेइंग दैट अगर आप इन सब चीज़ों को डिसमिस करते जा रहे हो, और जबकि जो आप कह रहे हो आपका रीज़न है कि ये पब्लिक अथॉरिटी नहीं, पब्लिक अथॉरिटी के अंदर नहीं आता है, तो आप ये कैसे कह सकते हो जबकि द प्राइम मिनिस्टर वॉज हिमसेल्फ द एक्स ऑफिशियल चेयरमैन देयर. ओके, और जो हमारे 3 कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स हैं वो इसके ट्रस्टी हैं. सो हाउ कैन वी स्टेट दैट इट इज़ नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ पब्लिक अथॉरिटी when government has its participation in it. Now, and the Ministry of Corporate Affairs had also treated it as a fund set up by the center. So you see another Ministry of Corporate Affairs treated as a fund set up by the center. अगर आप जो कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स की मिनिस्ट्री अगर वो इसको सेंटर का फंड मानती है, या इट टेक्स इट एज द फंड दैट हैज़ बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द सेंटर, how can you say that it is not under the public authority? It was not a public authority fund. So if this is the case, if this is the excuse, then again there is lack of transparency. अभी भी clarity complete तरीके से नहीं आई है. Further it says, since the trust was created, lakhs of public and private sector employees have donated a day's salary to it. Now you see, जब से PM CARES fund आया, even if you ask us, like many of people I know, including me, we have donated or we've donated in charity, given it in charity, our day's salary, 1 day, 2 days salary in PM CARES fund. Even when the COVID hit us, that moment also a lot many people have I would say they have denounced, okay, and they have given up their 1 day's salary or 2 days salary or a week's salary. Also people have done that. So they have all donated it, they've given it in charity. So lakhs of people have donated a day's salary to it, with some of them claiming that this deduction was done without their explicit consent. Explicit, that is without their clear. Explicit का मतलब होता है स्पष्ट. It's an adjective. Without the explicit consent, भाई उनकी जाने बिना. Many government officials, अगर आप government officials को देखें, whether it's railway or any other part, उनके सैलरी में से भी 1 दिन या 2 दिन का पैसा काट दिया गया और उनको बताया भी नहीं गया, उनको ये चीज़ बाद में बताई गई. So that is these steps have been taken without their consent. So again, this is a question mark right there. Further, it says that many public sector units and corporate entities too have made donations because of a proviso. Proviso is noun which means, I will write it right here. Proviso is a noun which means it is a I would say legal or a legal process or a general practice. तो एक तरीके का प्रोविजो बन गया, एक तरीके का ये रूल बन गया है, तो जिसे हम नियम कहते हैं इन हिंदी. सो बिकॉज ऑफ अ प्रोविजो दे ऑल्सो हैड टू मेक डोनेशंस अलाउइंग अनकैप्ड कॉर्पोरेट डोनेशन. अनकैप्ड मीन्स अनरिस्ट्रिक्टेड, भाई जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं है, जो अप्रतिबंधित है. So it is uncapped corporate donations that would qualify as corporate social responsibility expenditure. Later वो इसको qualify करेंगे, इसमें जाएगा, इस चीज़ सेक्शन का हिस्सा बनेगा. तो आप देख रहे हो एक नियम के अनुसार एक नियम बना दिया गया है, उसकी वजह से उनको डोनेशंस करने पड़ रहे हैं, और वो भी अनकैप्ड डोनेशंस हैं जिनका जिन पे कोई रोक नहीं, किसकी कोई सीमा नहीं है. ओके, वो अप्रतिबंधित है और वो सब CSR में जाएंगे. Further it says, earlier a government panel had rightly suggested that the double benefit of tax exemption would be regressive incentive. भाई अगर आप टैक्स एग्जेम्पशन दे रहे हो तो वो एक अच्छा बेनिफिट होगा, मतलब रिग्रेसिव मतलब उनको उल्टा उनके तरफ एक बेनिफिट जा रहा है. Thus far, or you can say so far, the exact amount of donations and a clear breakup of the expenditure from the fund have not been provided apart from an announcement in May that 3100 crore had been sanctioned from it to be spent on ventilators, migrant worker welfare and vaccine development. भाई अब तक अगर देखा जाए तो डोनेशन और जो एक्सपेंडिचर है उसका कोई क्लियर ब्रेकअप नहीं आए हैं, सिवाय मई में जो एक अनाउंसमेंट आई थी फॉर दिस सैंक्शनिंग ऑफ 3100 crore rupees. States have led the response to COVID-19 and their resources have increasingly been stretched by the continuing rise in infections and deaths, which have crossed 2.8 million and 54,000 mark respectively. At the very least, RTI requests that seek to understand how funds are being received and how they are being disbursed. Disbursed like utilized or like scattered. कैसे उनको अलग अलग भागों में विभाजित करके आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो. It's a verb. So far should be seen as legitimate, should be seen as legal. Adjective है legitimate. वैध माना जाना चाहिए इसको. Also, more needs to be done by the government to publicize donations to the more accountable NDRF, which allows for a transfer of funds to states. भाई वो कह रहे हैं कि डोनेशंस को पब्लिसाइज कर दीजिए, प्रचार करिए, प्रचारित करिए. पब्लिसाइज मतलब प्रचारित करना. तो आप भाई उस तरीके से उसको लोगों के सामने लाइए, उसको अवेयर करिए लोगों को डोनेशंस के बारे में कि वो एक NDRF जैसे फंड में चैरिटी दे या डोनेट करे जो कि स्टेट फंड्स को हेल्प करता है. राइट. सो दिस इज़ द एंटायर आर्टिकल एंड यू सी कि कहीं ना कहीं कितनी भी कोशिश कर ले कुछ ना कुछ लूप होल होता ही है और रह ही जाता है. सिमिलरली हियर इफ यू सी देयर हैज़ बीन अ लूप होल राइट हियर. So this was the article on PM Cares Fund where we need transparency, and I hope that we've worked on it, you've understood the article and the words that we've discussed. So for today the word that I would take for you people would be explicit. Explicit is an adjective which means something that is clearly stated or explained or given in detail. That is explicit. Okay, so I want you to frame your sentence with this word. I want you to use these words that we've discussed. I want you to look for synonyms and antonyms of these words. As I always say, keep learning and growing, learners. I will see you soon in the next session, and for the word list you have to go to the site to the study material section. Keep learning and growing, and do not forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel for regular sessions with us. I shall see you soon. Thank you so much.